Hello guys, welcome everyone to the next episode of Magnet AXIOM Part 2. So the previous season was some technical faults was also there and we are addicted for that. So now in this season I'm trying to focus on some maximum paths. Like there are some hidden steps in the Magnet AXIOM where you are trying to do something using a criminal phone. Okay. So just set my screen. I hope you guys can see my screen right now. First of all, going for Notepad. Now there are some several files like the file paths. Like whenever you are trying to do some forensic on using bare hands or like any tools, then most probably there are some locations that are actually hidden. Okay, so some hidden logs are there. Magnet axiom process, I'm not sure that yes, magnet axiom process maybe do it for the 90% time currently. But whenever you are doing some bare hands, if someone asking for your for you what are the main file paths or what are the main folder paths where the databases are saved, like any logs, any other things. So at this moment, make sure you guys know that like the hidden call and SMS logs. Okay. So for that we have to search for. Also make sure whenever you are trying to take this kind of data from the device that has been seized in the investigation. At that moment, make sure those data those phone can be you can actually do a logical copy of the phone, or you can do a root or on the phone. So at this time, you can go for the data partition. Okay, data partition actually mainly need root. Is actually need root. Okay, so data in the data. Sorry, yes, in the root partition there is data. After that, again data. Then com dot android providers telephone. Okay, so as you can see of the telephone, right? The telephone. One more, it is normally like the phone call, the phone app, right? So in the phone app, when we are doing something like the databases, and from here you will say something like mm this is dot okay. So this is the partition for the SMS stubs. Okay. Next, the same thing, but in this case, we have to go for we have to search for com android providers contacts databases. From here, contacts to dot de. Okay. So from here you can see for the all the call logs, right? So make sure about that. Always make sure about that. That like whenever we're doing something, just wait, guys. It has some technical issue. maybe you can hear listen right now. Next is there are some more things like the sensor, some noise coming in. Okay. So next is the sensors and the location. Okay, sensors and the location. If you want to search for any sensors data or like the location data, at that moment make sure you had the phone with the location service on, or like the sensors, those maybe, so make sure that those should be on. Okay, so these things you need to go for same thing, the same thing. Next, Android location providers. Okay, so these are the things, and after that, yes, obviously databases and location dot so for that is the location database. So these are the manual rule set, and next is for the data, for the sensors, like you have to go for from here you can get this sensors data, okay? Like the sensors like motion, gyro, gyroscope, gyroscope, and maybe proximity. Okay, so now there is a trick. Trick is coming whenever you are checking this proximity. Now, whenever you are checking this proximity, whenever the proximity comes in the mind, like maybe there is some reasons that the call logs have been deleted, right? At that time, how can you check that when the call actually came in, or like you don't know, right? Someone has deleted that call logs. At that time, the proximity comes in. The proximity, what it does, we have to search for 1.12 2.1. Okay, this is maybe it is coming in the DB format, not the database, decibel format. You have to check the values. So how the values are placed in the files? The files are placed in like taking 1.1, 1.1, 1.1.3, 1.1, 1.7, 1.8, 2.7, 2.2, 2.5, 2.8, or like anything after that, like 3.5 and many more. Okay, so the proximity value have a value of 1.1 to 5.1. Okay, so this is a normal value. Whenever our phone, this is the normal value, this fluctuates whenever we have doing anything like that. Normally we are just doing anything like our phone in our phone. That time it is just fluctuating within these parameters. Make sure, okay, within these parameters. Maybe it could be like 2.0 or like the 2.1. Okay, so like these are the normal. These are the normal values. Whenever you're doing search for something, you are normally going for these values. If there is some calls, whenever we are getting a call, we just put it on in our ear, right? So whenever we are putting it in our ear, at that time the proximity sensor over here, the proximity sensors are over here, they automatically get some values, and at that time your phone screen have been shut down. Okay, phone screen has been shut down. So at that time, what you have to do, you have to check for the proximity values. When it is into this partition, okay, like into this partition, from here to from 2.1, from here, at this partition, what you will get is the normal values. Normal. Okay, and from the 2.7 to like anything up there, from the 2.7 to anything up there, what you will get? Ball. Okay, so this is a trick. Yes, there is, but the trick is actually one more twist is there. The trick is actually 80% accuracy. 80, or like you can say for now it is like the Redmi and Xiaomi or like any other devices. It could be 60% of accuracy. Okay, so this is a actually big deal because in the Redmi, in the Redmi or like the Xiaomi or like Vivo or like the i2, these are the devices comes with pocket protection. User comes with pocket protection. Whenever you are trying to do something, that will maybe I could trigger my phone with maybe I can do that with my phone. So it could trigger the pocket protection. So like the pocket protection, what it does, whenever we are just turned our phone on and just putting it in our pocket, that time it will just do pocket protection, misstep prevention. Okay, what we call it like a misstouch prevention. So like you can just do a trick with the proximity. And next thing is I just noted down in my next. Okay, next is what um, maybe you are trying to find some spywares, right? Spywares are like any kind of rats in your phone. It is obviously it is normal rats. We're just talking about the cracks and everything. Normal rat, you have to search for data, same as root, and again data, then found Android, hidden. Okay. So in the hidden menu, you can go for the diagnostic. Diagnostic data. Okay. One more thing we can do that. Like if we give our phone to someone and he just unlocked it and go done something. How can I recognize that what the things he have been opened, right? At what time and everything, how much time he has spent on that app and everything. At the moment, we can do something. There is some codes like the USSD codes, like the USSD codes. If you obviously if you have the access of the phone at the time only. USSD codes like there is something for some phones, not for the all phones. Okay, star as star as 4636 as star 4636 has star. Okay, so like if I'm putting on my phone star has 4636 has star. Okay, I can see some three menus. I don't know if you guys can see here. No, little bit. Okay, so there are three menus. The of thing is the first thing is the phone information. Second is user statistics and the Wi-Fi information. Okay, so whenever I click on the user statistics, I can see the every apps. Okay, like if I go for any apps, look, there's several apps over here which I previously opened. Okay, and next thing is just a minute. Maybe it would be better if I stop the screen share. Okay. Okay. So these are the user statistics. I know you guys can see it in flip format, but still you guys can just. Okay. So if I go for the WhatsApp, look how many times I have been used and everything is there. Okay. I played some games and everything. You can search everything here. Okay, and not only that, from the up menu you can select other options like the usage time, sort by the usage time, sort by the time last time I have been used, sort by the app name. So if I click on the sort last time what I have been used, these are the look the settings icon, the call icon, and maybe the system launcher, then chat GPT and everything. Okay, so like these are the things. Again I'm saying. Okay, so these are the things. Next is okay. So diagnostic from the diagnostic data from the from for this only you can go for type this in your phone and check that what the app have been used. If there is a spyware, the like even the rats in your phone, you can easily recognize by that app, by that phone number, by the user code. That if a rat is there, if a spyware is present in your phone, it will automatically get executed. Okay, so the thing. And next is maybe you can try with data miss. I mean the miscellaneous miss and profiles. Okay. From here you can track device. Okay. From the miss and profiles, you can actually see the device interaction. That like what was the app first of all. Second is um, what types of data it accessed. What like whenever you are not in your phone, that what types of device interaction it got and everything. Okay, so these are the paths, the spyware and rats. Next is for the advanced forensic and the like the hidden tracking. Okay, so for you know what is file carving, that is right. Okay, so you guys know that what is file carving. File normally we can do a normal data recovery using a file carving, and Not only that, if you have if the guy have deleted some data, then we can do another thing. Like someone have cleared cache of some uh, maybe of some app, of an app. We have cleared all the caches, all the storages and everything. At that moment, what we can do? Yes, you can do that from here. But still, there are some normal stuffs are there. We write it is like data system properties. Okay. From here you can get the system logs, phone like crash time. Okay. So many more things. Like the unusual activities. So these are the this is the folder in your data partition, that from where you can get the system logs, crash time, and unusual activities. Okay, like whenever where you touched and where everything got, like what you've done to your phone, and crash time like when the phone was got hanged. Okay, so there is one more thing you can do using normal notepad. Okay, so for that reason you have to unlock your bootloader first, and second thing I can just show you. Second thing I can show you, just let me do something. Okay, so from here in the developer option. Okay, there's something called submit error report on the top menu. Okay, something submit error report. And if you can get here that there is some two types of things. One is interactive and report, and there is full report. If you click on the full report and generate it, within some seconds we'll get a notification that our estimate, yes, within some second we will get our zip format full report. Okay, and you have to do normally open that using any types of notepad or anything, and you can just read it. Okay, it is normal JSON syntax, so it is useful. You can do the forensic on that normally. It is a normal part. Next, uh, what we left. Okay, next is the if someone has deleted the internet activities, right? Internet deleted activities. Okay? Internet related activities, like how many app storage we have we downloaded or like uploaded and everything. At the moment, we have to go for the data. Next is just a minute, guys. Just maybe you could find it. Systems, data system, and next is net stand. Okay. From here, you can get every data. How many have been how many have been downloaded, how many have been uploaded, and everything. This is the mobile internet or mobile history. You can get it from here. Next is okay. One more thing that I'm showing you guys. That is if someone has okay, not the WhatsApp. I'm just not going to tell you that normally. Okay, sorry. Just can see now. Let's me let me check once. Maybe not able to see on my screen. Yes, I'm not able to see my screen. Okay, now I guess it's in the yes, I got. Okay. WhatsApp. For the WhatsApp hidden data or like any outdated kind of there's an outdated status. The status have been gone. There's nothing. Okay. Your friend put a status on his WhatsApp and just gone, right? So at that moment, you can go for WhatsApp hidden data. In the WhatsApp hidden data, there is storage emulated 0 Android media on WhatsApp. I'm not able to see this. Am I able to share my screen right now? I don't know. So, let's try. So, right.